Ooh, check it out, y'all. Little mini T. We got Sonic right here. Got that carbon fiber wing. Got the hot racing shocks and all that. Some $10 wheels and tires I found on Amazon. I got the cliffhanger body from Proline. A couple lights in there and some good stuff. But otherwise, it's a stock mini T. Anyway, throw this on my noggin. I haven't really driven this hardly at all. Some, but not much. We're gonna see what it does on this gravel. I don't know what these tires are gonna do. I know they balloon, but we're gonna drive this around a little bit and see how this does. I've driven at the gym and that's about it. How's it doing, grass? I be danged, okay. You actually have to drive it, but adjust this camera. Ooh. Yeah, you have to drive it. I mean, it's two-wheel drive, so it's kind of like my Bandit was, just way smaller. Oh, those are all the sticks. So that's the sticks I'm gonna be picking up here shortly. Oh, this is my Mini T track. Okay. Ah, missed. That did not work. Oh, it's stuck? Yeah. Yes, can the driver get us out of there? There we go. So these tires are good for hard packed dirt though. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. The shocks also, I know I just put the stock springs back on the other day because the hot racing springs were super stiff and I haven't adjusted them since then, so. Nice. Oh, full tilt there. This thing will boogie. Okay. Yeah, these tires are solid for hard packed dirt. Not bad, I should say, at least. This thing is a fun little one. Man, this has been a good little RC day. We'll see how long this wing lasts too. It was only what, 10-15 bucks on Amazon, or not Amazon, but eBay. Woo! Don't hit the mailbox. Did it break anything? No? Okay. Okay. And bringing it back. Ooh, that's how you break it. Oh, this thing buggies. There's the jump. Sonic the Hedgehog. Starting to get the cold fingers. Affects the steering a little bit. This thing puts the power down really well for a two-wheel drive. This is that Losi, okay. Also, not having a locked differential like my Traxxas, like my Bandit is. I'm definitely gonna put an open diff in there again at some point. Just not in any hurry to spend a lot of money on that. Since now it finally dries. I should have brought that with me. This soaks up those bumps pretty well. I was saying I'm not sure how I feel about these shocks. Honestly, they're solid. The springs, like I said, the hot racing springs were a little stiff. But I went back to the stock ones. And I'd say I'm happy. I didn't even try the hot racing on this kind of surface here, in all honesty. It's just, they were just super stiff and I didn't like how it sat. Look at that. Gobbles up those bumps right there, soaks them up, no problem. I guess I might have to give the hot racing shocks a fair shake and run them. Oh, now I can't hit the jump, huh? On the wheels. Ooh, numb fingers, numb fingers.
Yeah, these shocks are plenty good enough. And I would have put like 9,000 or no, not 900 CST in for the shock fluid. Yeah, these are solid with, yep. All right, guys. Tim, Jason, Steve, y'all better get ready. I don't know if y'all want this smoke. Sonic's ready. Sonic is ready. Y'all, Sonic ready. My fingers are numb. Boogie on by. Ah, rocks. Yeah, it just right over those bumps. Full tilt. Ah, recover. This two-wheel drive, you really gotta drive these things. I love it. There's one. That was a good one. Had to land on throttle a little bit to correct it, but hey. We backed off just in time to save that diff. There's the battery. Sweet. Fun stuff. Heck yeah.